you. Come on. Yeah.
Oh! Sami with a Helluva Kick to Solo Sikoa!
Here comes Fatu.
Fatu upset over that. Superman punch by Reigns. Helluva Kick by Sami. Roman Reigns locked and loaded with a spear. Not the way that Solo wanted the Tribal Chief Acknowledgement ceremony to go. Sami Zayn said what the four of us once had was special. Well, let's run it back again. It seems like we have a loose alliance of original Bloodline members set to do battle at War Games.